my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here with another flip through of an altered little golden book for Christmas. This one is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And I made a scrappy tie for it. I think it turned out really cute. I used Christmas material. This does measure 6.5 by 8. It has a approximate 3-inch, almost a 3-inch spine, 3 signatures. I made a cute tassel for it that's filled with different things like pom-poms and a wooden star and a bell and lots of charms. And then this charm reminded me of a Christmas ornament, so I added it. So cute. Love how this turned out. So we'll open it up. The tie does untie, but I'm going to take pictures for Etsy, so I don't want to untie it. This will be listed in my Etsy shop, and I will put a link below if you're interested in purchasing. This book does have all of the book pages. It is in order in the book. I did use digitals or printables that I found online for Christmas, as well as 2 of Took's Craft Table's new Christmas digital kits, and I will link those below as well. So the pockets in this journal are made from Took's Craft Table's Christmas kits. A lot of them are the labels in one of her kits that I enlarged and used as pockets because I thought they were so cute. There are over 25 tags and cards and lots of writing space in this journal. There are a lot of pages left that you can decorate, lots of pages that you can write on, journal on, and lots of tags and cards to journal on. All the cards and tags are, actually all the tags are sewn with my sewing machine, and they're all backed, so you can write on the back. Here's a coin pocket from Took's Craft Table. I did have extra of the scrappy tie that I made, so I made a fabric tab out of them for the beginning of each of the 3 signatures. This is the stamp that we made together, carving an eraser, and I have used these stamps throughout the journal, and you'll see that they turned out really cute. I did use my sewing machine to add texture and interest to the book pages. Here's a paper doily. I used a little party gift bag as a little pocket. Cute page of Reindeer, of Rudolph and his girlfriend. Here's a cute picture from digital from Took's Craft Table, one of her kits. I took a Christmas card and I made a flip. You can write on the back. It says Merry Christmas, and I stenciled the back, but you can still write on the back of that. And then to strengthen the back side, I added some printable card. I believe this is for My Porch Prints. It was in my stash from last year. And I just included a journaling card that you can write on the back. I think this book turned out so cute. Here's another doily. Here's the other stamp that we made. So I think now's the time to order the Christmas journals, if not for gifts, but for yourself, so that you'll have them in time to give as Christmas gifts or to use this Christmas for your journaling. Here's a little junk envelope with a window that we did together. This was inspired by Marjorie, and you can write inside, so there's a lot of writing space. There's also a pocket I forgot to mention on the other flip through. There is a pocket here as well that you can add a journaling card. There's another stamp. Cute paper for writing. Here's the washi that I made, Christmas washi. I did some stenciling in this journal as well. There's a lot of fun stuff in here. Lots of pretty papers. Decorated all the tags. There's another stamp. Another cute page to write on. Here's some stenciling I did. Then we're into the third and last signature. Here's another card flip that you can write on the back. And a cute journaling card that you can write on. I love that you can journal in here, and then you can also read the cute Christmas story. This would be a really cute book to put on your coffee table for family to write their memories and things in. So much you can do with these Christmas journals. So much fun. So that's it. Again, I will list this in my Etsy shop. I will put a link below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye, friends.